Hello and welcome to Doc C's under Puget Sound. We, this last few summers back, were out researching a depth fairly close to shore around the Point Defiance area, and this harbor porpoise comes up to the boat and starts following the diver drone around. So we said, okay, let's just see what this harbor porpoise can do. And did we have fun? The things that we discovered, however, looking at its fins and body, we see that there's a lot of propeller marks caught in a rope around the front fins there. You can see that. I understand from talking with some people that this is a female, and the boat activity of Puget Sound is one of the issues that we have with our marine life, especially these mammals, our whales, porpoises. And you can see how the body itself has been, I don't know what you'd say, hit by a propeller possibly, cut by a rope. Look at the fins there. This is what I'm talking about. A rope maybe wrapped around the fin, I believe so, because when we pulled up a abandoned crab pot, she was entangled in that rope. This is kind of cool. She's punking me right now. She's come up to the face of the camera. She sees where the front of it is and starts blowing her air hole right at the lens. Is this something or what? This is a 1 in a million shot being punked out by a harbor porpoise. And now you'll see a little bit better here as it starts to clear up. Oh yeah, this has been really exciting for me to share this with you. Imagine out there on the boat, looking at the seafloor, and this beautiful harbor porpoise shows up and gives us a look-see on our camera. How cool is that? I'd like to thank you for watching Doc C's Under Puget Sound, and if you get a chance